Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this laptop. To use this feature you have to open at least two windows on your desktop, and now to put them into split screen mode, grab the top bar of any of these windows and drag it to the top of the screen, and then without releasing your the left key of your mouse, you can select one of the positions for the window. As you can see, you can place up to 4 windows at the same time on your laptop screen, and in my case I'm gonna put this window right here and then click on the other one to put it into the other position. And now by moving this bar between these windows, I can adjust the size of each window I opened. And right now I can use both of these applications at the same time, and that's how the split screen feature works. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.